Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of My Lover is a Dangerous, chapter 2. So here it is. Let's read the story. Well, tonight, young Yuner came to the bar again. Well, probably to follow Chensi, so she can able to become closer to her, get know her, so she can investigate what happened before, and it caused her sister to die on that night. To take off her mask, she went inside. Night, this is the most high-end girls' club in Haicheng. Look at her. She looks really gorgeous on that night dress. That day, I saw the handwriting on Ochensi, smoke same as the logo as the model of this club. Oh, what could it be? Why suddenly she become interested? Also, she put back again the mask. Maybe from here I will find something about Ochensi. Well, she was gracefully went inside. This club is a membership system. And right now, she was trying to get inside of the club. With a nice fortune and good standing, Wang Yuner, she came inside of the club. Fortunately, my star status allows me to pass the primary screening smoothly. Well, since she was a starlet, maybe she really did pass the screening to be able to become the little BIP on this club. Now, she was looking around, searching to find Ocean Sea. Someone is approaching her. The little sister is so cute. You're interested in chatting with your sister. Right now, this girl is really approaching her. Sorry, you are not my type. Yuner said to her. Well then, I wish you a good time tonight. Oh, she must been really tough on her. The girl is sleeping right now. She's wearing a mask not only to protect her privacy, but also to communicate without any scruples. Well, definitely the team is right. People who came up with this way are really talented. Oh, right now, she was really facing the coordinator, right? Well, we can blame the girl. She was really cute. That's why maybe she really got attracted to her. Suddenly, someone piqued her attention. Oh, Chensi. She was looking down and seeing her. Well, Shaoxi, the following are the new members, so don't talk about it. This girl seems to be close on Shensi. Shensi, she was looking down, said to the girl, forget it. Not very interesting to her. Well, could it be? Or she was only denying on herself. She noticed her when she looked down again. Well, why suddenly she become more attentive when she's seeing this girl? Could it be that? Oh, Shensi. She noticed her, the fox mask. Oh, big applause to her. She was really good identifying people. Well, suddenly, she was grasping. Of course, suddenly, she got really mad. Well, what about this girl? Why suddenly? You remember what happened before? And it was really dark. On that day, someone is calling her sister, sister. But it turns out it was Yuner. She was a little. Well, did the two of them already met before? Today is your birthday. Yuner, look at her. She seems to be happy. But back then, how suddenly the two of them met before. Yuner is really her sister. This is my birthday present for you. She was fooling that mask. It's a mask. Well, it's the pack mask I made by myself. Oh, she was great back then. Yuner, it seems that she was really happy back then. She said to her, little fox, so I gave it to you. Back then, she was really fumbling. She was still holding, blindfolded before. Yes, I'm waiting for my sister's eyes to be good now. You can see your little sister. Oh, what a sweet child she is. Back now, oh Chancy, Mr. Lan, I'll go down and have a look. Why, can we fall in love at first sight so far away? Oh, she's been teased by her right now. Oh, Chancy said, not so. Oh, right now, suddenly. And also, are they really sister? What could be wrong on this? Yuner, she already noticed that the girl, and it's also the same, Chancy, and she was holding that day. Noticed that exactly the same as what Oi Chancy smoking. Well, it seems that she was really curious about Oi Chancy. She really noticed everything from her, especially these trivial things. Hello, are you interested in getting to know each other? Nurse said to the girl. This girl seems to be interested on her. Said to her, of course, what is the name of the lady? Oh, this girl seems to be tough. Also right now, Yuner. She need to introduce herself. Said to the girl, just call me a little fox. Well, is she going to trick that girl? Especially about UNC. If the two of them are really connected. The girl said, then you can call me a rabbit. Oh, Sister Rabbit, this smoke smells so special. Oh, this. A cigar of the night. Only a senior member has it. Oh, so this was really rare, and right now she was really curious about it. So Ocean Sea is a senior member here, and that's why Ocean Sea, and she really didn't notice. He's looking for her and watching her from afar. Turns out that the head of Oshi Group is a senior member on this club. This is not bad. I will give you a try. The girl is giving her a fuck. Well, the girl seems to be generous on her, and Yuner, she seems to be happy. Although right now, she is much more generous than someone. Yuner, she is gladly accepting a pack of cigar. Also, when she's going to pick up, someone interrupted and caught her hand and said to her she doesn't have to. Oh, who could it be? Grabbed her hands to stop her. Now, she was only looking at her eyes. Well, is she really in trouble right now? Hey guys, thanks for supporting. Shenzhen and Chimuelo, thanks a lot for support. Also, if you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can join the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!